Hello and welcome to another episode of Clark Adventures. Today we're looking at a few upgrades we've done on the Minnie Winnie Winnebago. Starting with a new handle, we've seen several videos online for the screen door in your RV. Let's take a look. So the handle comes in basically 5 pieces with some screws to attach them. You got the 2 end brackets which will attach it to the screen door, 2 side metal looking pieces, and a black center piece which allows you to kind of adjust it, and the screws on the back side to attach the 3 middle sections together. And as with most items you purchase, the screws sometimes are not great, and my impact driver tended to strip some out. So I did purchase some stainless steel screws from the Home Depot, and we'll use that to attach it to the screen door. Our next project was back here in the bathroom, but before we move on to that, I want to please encourage you to subscribe if you like our videos, and if you want to get notified when we post, hit that bell so you'll be notified. Most of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel, and we'd really like you to join us and help our channel grow. And we replaced the toilet in Minnie. It took some doing because this new Dometic has a pedal flush and needed clearance in the back. So I had to cut up that basic step that covered some of the plumbing on the left-hand side, lowered the right hand so there'd be room for the step and the water input. But it's nice. It's a soft close lid, porcelain bowl, and I know my wife's really gonna appreciate it. You don't have to use your hands to flush anymore. Halfway down the water, all the way down the flush. No more reaching back like the Aqua Magic 4 from Thetford, which was in here until this morning. And now she holds water in the bowl. The old Thetford, the water would just seep down. The seal wasn't really sealing very well. But instead of just replacing the seal, we said we're going to upgrade and replace the whole toilet. So there you have it, just 2 of our recent upgrades to the Minnie Winnie Winnebago. The adventure continues as we find other things to upgrade. Currently working on fixing the roof because we have some leaks. So we're cleaning that up, and going to do a new coat on the roof as well to help seal it up. We'll cover that maybe in the future. Thanks again for watching. Remember, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to find any of these products we used in our upgrades, we'll provide the links below in the description. Take a link and use our Amazon affiliate link down there. We really appreciate it. Again, thanks for your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at our next adventure.